In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer on Google Docs. Whether you're promoting an event, a sale, or a community gathering, you can create a clean, attention-grabbing flyer in just a few minutes without any special design software. Start by opening Google Docs and clicking Template Gallery at the top. This shows a collection of ready-made designs. If you want a quick start, pick a flyer or poster template that matches your theme. Templates come with placeholder text and images you can replace, which saves time and helps with layout. If you prefer full control, choose blank to start from scratch and build your design from the ground up. Before you add content, set your page size so the final print looks right. Go to File, then Page Setup, and choose Letter if you're in the US or A4 in many other regions. This ensures your flyer prints correctly without unexpected clipping or scaling. While you're there, confirm the orientation you want. Portrait is typical, but some flyers look great in landscape. Now add your headline. Click where you want the title and type your main message. Use the toolbar to adjust font size, style, and color. A bold, readable font works best for headlines. Keep color contrast high so your title stands out at a distance, and limit yourself to one or two fonts for a clean look. Next, insert visuals to draw the eye. Go to Insert, then Image, and choose where the image is coming from, like your computer, Google Drive, or search the web. Pick high-quality images or icons that relate directly to your message. After inserting, use the Image toolbar to resize and position. If text needs to flow around an image, select an appropriate text wrap option so everything sits neatly. To organize details like dates, locations, or features, use text boxes or tables. For a text box, choose Insert, Drawing, New, then add a text box and type your content before saving. This helps you place small blocks of text precisely. If you prefer a structured layout, insert a table to align items neatly. You can reduce the table border to 0 if you don't want lines to show. Finally, tidy up with alignment and spacing tools on the toolbar. Use left, center, or right alignment to create visual balance and adjust line and paragraph spacing so nothing feels cramped. Aim for consistent margins and equal spacing between elements. When you're satisfied, go to File and choose Download to save a PDF for sharing or professional printing, or select Print to send it directly to your printer. And that's it. Your flyer is ready to go.